Hi friends, today I'll be explaining what is cosine rule. So cosine rule is used to calculate the length or angle of a triangle that is not right angle, because in right angle we will use sine rule, cos rule and tangent ratio. So in cosine rule, if we use a triangle, the formula of a cosine rule is a square is equal to b square plus c square minus 2bc multiplied by cos tangent. So in cosine rule, if we have to calculate this angle, which is marked as x, so to the lines that are matching to form this angle, such as this line and this line, so this will be marked as B and C. So we will mark this line as B and this line as C, or in opposite we can use this line as C and this line as B. But the line that is opposite to the angle will be always marked as A, because in cosine rule, if we have to calculate the length of A, we will use b square plus c square minus 2bc multiplied by cos ratio. So we will use a square is equal to b square plus c square minus 2bc multiplied by cos ratio, which will be a is equal to square root of b square plus c square minus 2bc multiplied by cos ratio. So this will be the formula to calculate the length of A. But when we have to calculate the length not I mean angle of x, so we will move this cos star separate. So we write cos star is equal to a square plus a square minus b square minus c square divided by minus 2bc and cos inverse, like this. So this is how we will use this formula: cos inverse brackets open a square minus b square minus c square divided by minus 2bc brackets closed, if you have to calculate the angle. So for the first question, we will use a triangle. This in this we have angle of 120 degrees, and then we have the length of 25 centimeter and 34 centimeter. So in this we have to calculate the length of A. So for the previous diagram, when we have to calculate the length of A, we will use this formula. So we will write A is equal to square root of B square plus C square minus 2BC multiplied by cos star. So we will write 25 25 square plus 34 square minus 2 multiplied by 25 multiplied by 34 multiplied by cos, which will be 120 to the square root. So this will be, first we will calculate this section: 2 multiplied by 25 multiplied by 34 multiplied by cos 120, which will be like this: 625, which is the square root of 20 square of 25 plus 34 square, which will be 1156 minus 850. So minus will be plus, so 625 plus 1156 plus 850, which will be 2631. Yes, we still didn't square root this whole equation, so we will continue the square root again over here, like the square root of 2631, which will be 51.2932. So in exams we have to round this off to three significance, so we write this as 51.3 centimeter or meter. Over here I have written meter, so I will write here as meter. So 51.3 centimeter meter is the length of A by using the cosine rule, which is A is equal to square root of B square plus C square minus 2BC multiplied by cos ratio. In question 1 we have a triangle. In this we have, it is stated that angle B is 50 degrees and length of BC is 18 centimeter and VA is 9 centimeter. So in this we will use the cosine formula, which is A square is equal to B square plus C square minus 2BC multiplied by cos. So the length of A is AC, so we have to calculate the length of A, and then the length of B and C will be the lines that are joining to make the angle. So at the angle B is formed by BA and BC, so letter B will be 18 centimeter and letter C will be 9 centimeter, or else you can use B as 9 centimeter and C as 18 centimeter. So we will write A as x square is equal to B 9 multiplied by 80, 9 square multiplied by 18 square minus 2 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 18 multiplied by cos, and the angle or costa will be 50 degrees, so we'll write 50. So x square is equal to, first we will calculate this whole section, which will be 9 square 81 plus 18 square is 324 minus, so this section will be 208.2631. so then we will add this 81 plus 324 minus 208.2631, which will be 196.7368, and we write x square is equal to 197.7368. So x is equal to square root of 196.7368, which will be 14.02 centimeter. So the length of AC will be 14.0262 centimeter.